Welcome to another segment of Training Videos from the House, brought to you by Stickman University. The initial walkthrough is the customer's first impression, and you want to make it a good impression. Now's the time to set expectations and introduce yourself. If you're stuck on what to say, the Back to the Basics online training can refresh your memory for proper greeting techniques. As part of your walkthrough, the customer will show you the house. Since you can see the full scope of the move as they show you around, this is when you should check to see if the estimate provided is an accurate one. You should also begin planning the tier loading process. Since you're the expert moving professional, let the customer know what to expect before you get started moving. Give the customer a quick overview of the steps you'll be taking. Don't be afraid to take ownership and take charge of the move. If you see any possible problems or concerns, make sure you let the customer know. This is also when to review the pre-move paperwork with the customer and discuss a revision of estimate if necessary. If you see previous damage during the walkthrough, talk to the customer about it. Have them sign a previous damage report. If you have questions about this process, talk to your manager. Next, you should explain to the customer our padding and stretch wrapping procedure. Ask them if there's an item that they would like special attention paid to, like expensive or antique items. Inform the customer that the doors will be propped open. Tell them to please keep children and pets in a safe area. You should also look for items you shouldn't move, such as household cleaners, liquid soap, drugs, money, weapons, etc. Explain that it's against our procedures to move these items. It's best to look for difficult areas during the walkthrough, so you'll be prepared. These include areas with low-hanging lights, tight turns, or floors where you'll need to use more caution. If you see any loose or unboxed items, talk to the customer about additional packaging needs. After all this is done and your walkthrough is complete, ask the customer to sign the necessary paperwork. Finally, make a plan for the best way to load the truck, and ask the customer if it's okay to park in the driveway. In summary, remember the following points. Thank you for viewing this video on the initial walkthrough. If you have any questions, please direct them to training@2men.com.